Welcome back to Primetime Sports Thursday. As we continue our build-up to the Issa Grace Kennedy Boys and Girls Championships, this evening we take a look at the prospects of Immaculate Conception High School. Jordan Fort reports.
Immaculate Conception have emerged as powerhouses in the corporate area in recent years at Girls Champs. Last year, the girls from Constant Spring Road were the second best corporate area finishers with 94 points, behind Woolmer's girls who tallied 111 points. The team showed its sprint prowess and also demonstrated quality in the horizontal jumps and throws, and coach Franz Ford says the team is expanding into other areas.
Well, the strength for Immaculate in 2024 is everywhere, right? We're currently growing a middle distance program, quarter program. The good thing is that we have a coach, Coach Thompson, on board right now, who is doing a fantastic job with the girls. It's a growing program, and where we currently are right now, I do expect for it to get better going into the championship, but also to get better going into 2025.
The title challenging teams have big numbers across the board, something that usually handicaps slightly smaller programs like Immaculate. But assistant coach Floyd Quarry says they won't only be depending on a few known names to deliver big points.
We have a whole range. Naturally, last year's double sprint champion for Class 4, Kayla Johnson. Chevy and Shim has shown good form for the sprints as well. Niara McLeod in the hurdles. I can go all day. You know, so they pretty much it's a full team. It's a full prospect. We've had quality over the years. We're trying to add a little bit of quantity to.
Co-captain Maria Simpson was 8th in the heptathlon last year and is looking forward to ending her champs years on a high.
My expectations, honestly, to make the finals, and from there we can, shoot for a medal position. It's my final year and I haven't gotten a champs medal yet, so I'm hoping to get one this year.
Immaculate gave a glimpse of their credentials at the corporate area development meet, where they finished 3rd behind Excelsior and Woolmer's girls.